So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everybody is ready to learn a new strategy. So the name of the technical which we are going to use today, the one which I am going to apply today, it's already mentioned in the description. The name of the strategy we are going to pick is Horizon. How you can use it manually, automatically, what are the set of rules which we need to follow. So I will be explaining each and every aspect, but before moving to that part, let's wait, just hardly wait for 30 seconds so that more and more traders are already joined, so that we will be taking care of that thing, that everybody is ready to learn about something new. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live again, you will be able to get in touch with us, because Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then, where we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help our traders in their trading concerns so they can improve their skills. So this is one of them. So without wasting any more time, I think that we should kick off the session. And comment section is already active, traders. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query, you can write me over there. I have already checked on my device. My audio, video, everything is clear, but I request you, please also confirm in the comment section if anything is required to be fixed. Of course, I will be taking care of that. Okay, so make sure you take full benefit of these 60 minutes. So you will be having whatever the doubts you will be having, you can share with me. So I will be explaining you with that one. And let's start the session. So the screen which is visible to you, this is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there might be some users, those who might be using a mobile application, so the interface might be different, but one thing I can assure you, that the technical which we are going to pick today, that is available in both of them. A small tower, the fourth button with the name of technical analysis. So because I will not be spending much of time on explaining these things, because I'm sure that majority of you guys will be having the information, but in case still if any doubt is there, please make sure you comment me. Okay, so Horizon is a strategy. It's an expert level strategy, can be used for fixed time trading and FX, which means forex. Once I'll click on that one, a small description video is there. For now, no need to spend time on that one, because I am here to explain that one. Then a description in the written format is also mentioned. What technicals we are going to use in this one? So we are going to pick simple moving average with the frequency of 5, 22, and at the same time MACD is also going to be there with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9. Now one more thing we are supposed to focus on. In this one, we are going to pick high Kanashi candles. Okay, so make sure those who are going to apply it manually, so make sure you change the chart type also. Now the reason why I was emphasizing on the what are the frequencies and everything, because this strategy can be applied manually also. Okay, so you heard me right, no need to buy this strategy. This strategy can be buy manually, this strategy can be applied manually. So make sure you do not spend anything on that one while buying this strategy. Just you can apply it manually. All you just need to apply SMA 22, 5, MACD with the 12, 26, 9, and just change the chart time frame from here. So majority of time, like the Japanese candles are there, but in this strategy we are picking high Kanashi. Now how exactly this strategy works, I will be giving you a quick overview. After that, while doing some practice, or like while showing some examples, so I'm sure that you will be getting all your doubts cleared. But still, in case if anything will be missed, comment section is there, guys. Okay, so make sure you take full benefit of that one. I can see a few comments already there, so just keep on adding your comments. I will be coming to the comment section also sooner or later. Okay, so let's talk about that how exactly this strategy works. In this one, first, so we will be focusing on the candle colors. So in high Kanashi candles, the beauty of high Kanashi candle is, with the help of the color, it is going to tell you that what can be the direction of the market. It's very easy to understand. Green, market up; red, market down. Very easy to understand. Now let's come to the second part. In this one, we are going to pick all the SMAs. So what we are going to focus on, we are going to focus on the smaller frequency, and when the smaller frequency of SMA is going to intersect the higher one, that can be the direction of the market. So if 5 will be intersecting 22 in the downward direction, if I'll zoom in, and you can observe that market is moving in the downward. At the same time, when the 5 intersected the 22 in the upward, market started moving upward direction. Now let's talk about the third one, MACD. In the MACD, if you focus on, so there are majorly two things, like two pairs are there. The first one is with the MACD line and the signal, which is green, and this orange, or you can consider it as red, and at the same time histogram is also there. Let me just switch it to the line one, so that will be more easy to understand. So what, why I have mentioned that these are two pairs, so either you can focus on MACD line and the signal line intersection, or histogram intersection with the base level, which is 0 level. Let me show you what exactly I am talking about. So whenever there is an intersection of MACD line and the signal line, at the same moment histogram is also intersecting this base level in the same direction. So either you can pick both of them, or you can hide one of them. Usually I am used to hide one of them, just to make it a bit more clear and a bit more easy to understand, because more and more lines will be visible on the screen, the harder it will be. There is a possibility that that might be harder for you or not, but this is an approach which I am used to follow. Okay, now as I have already mentioned, what exactly we are supposed to focus on, we will be focusing on this 0 level, and whenever there is going to be intersection of this line with the 0 in the downward, market can move into the downward, and at the same time if the intersection is in the upward direction, market can move into the upward. Now some trader might be focusing on my words, so why I am saying that can be. The reason behind, these are just some technical, mathematical based technical tools, calculation based technical tools. So there is a possibility that you might not be able to achieve 100% accuracy, because there are no such technicals which will be promising 100% accuracy. And considering that thing, please make sure you do not invest a huge capital in a single trade. At the same time, traders is a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss, so make sure you focus on the learning part first. Make sure you learn everything and then start making your financial investments. Okay, so you need to focus on that part, and all the trades which I am going to take during this session, everything is going to be like my responsibility, because everything is going to be depending on my skill set. The trades which I am going to take for you, just a quick piece of information, please make sure avoid copy trading. The reason behind, it's not like that I don't want you to make profit. The reason behind that, even though this session is live, the conversation is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after some time, and there can be a discrepancy in the opening of the trade, and that can lead to a negative. So rather than focusing on copy trading, just focus on learning the strategy, and after that you can use this strategy, because this session is active hardly next 50-52 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. I know I had talked so much, so some of my dear friends might be getting bored. So let's do some live action. Let's start some live trading, and during that conversation I will be explaining the strategy, so how exactly it works, in case if anything is missed or anything is skipped. So nothing to worry about that. Okay, so let's start. Suggested time frame for this strategy, the minimum suggested chart time frame is 1 minute. Trade time frame can be from 2 to 3 candles. So 2 to 3 candles means if the chart time frame is 1 minute, trade time frame can be 2 or 3 minutes. If I'll increase the chart time frame from 1 to 2 minutes, so then according to that I will be picking that time. Now there was a very nice signal, intersection of SMAs was there. At the same time MACD was also below the 0 level, and back to back red candles were there, but we were quite late. So rather than trying to catch a running bus and met with an accident, I'll suggest just stay calm, look forward for the another signal. You can also skip this, switch the asset, or you can wait on the same. This is something which I am used to do. I am just keep on switching the asset. I am keep on shuffling my card just to make sure that I am able to grab a perfect opportunity. Okay, so very nice, very nice. This signal is quite old also, but we'll try to pick. So far we have opened a few trades. Let's see how everything will work. Okay, so a few trades are already in the pipeline, and I will try to open one or two more, and I will be explaining also that what are the things which I have considered. Okay, so back to back green candles. SMA already breached this level. We are quite late again in this one also, but let's try to grab it, because there was a possibility to grab the opportunity in the beginning of this candle, and if we would have already done that, there would be a better chances to win the trade. Okay, so the set of rule is going to be remain same for all the assets. It's not like that on composites you have to open pick a different set of rule. On the metals there is going to be different, on currency pairs is going to be different. Okay, so let me take a few comments. So I can see there are a few comments. Okay, so Ratnesh ji, hello, I use Horizon in my trading, this is working great. Ratnesh ji, I am happy to see traders. This is a request to everyone. If anyone apart from Ratnesh ji is also using Horizon strategy, if they are making profit, just share it. And in case if you are making some negative results also, just let us know so that I will be able to help you with that one. My amount didn't receive still now to my bank account. Milan ji, I am sad to know that if you haven't received your withdrawal, I request you just connect with the support team. They will be doing the needful. Okay, यही एंट्री लगवाते हैं. Kiran Shahzad ji, माफी चाहूंगा. I'm so sorry, I didn't got your question. Okay, then Shushant is saying deposit pending 2200. Shushant, I'm sad to know about that one, but nothing to worry. Your amount is safe. You will be getting that shortly. Just make sure you connect with the support team. Traders, just a quick request that basically deposit withdrawal verification is being taken care by the support team. So I am from a different department. So the major hold I have, that is on the trading part. So all the doubts, all the questions you have regarding the trading, please let me know, because it's hardly a quick 60-minute interaction. And if I start talking about your deposit withdrawal verification, I believe that I will be spending majority of time on that. So you can connect with the support team. They are available throughout the day. So they will be guiding you with that. Okay. Yeah. So Sushant, just drop an email to support-en@olymptrade.com and just send the screenshot, payment screenshot, and tell them that sir, this payment is pending. Please look into that. They will raise a request to the relevant department and they will do the needful. Okay, nice information. Thanks. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, by entry लगवाते हैं. Kiran Shahzad, I didn't got your question, sir. Like, are you asking that are we going to help you with the signals or something like that? So is that your question? Can you do a class on capital protection? The one I have been seeing are not in English. For sure, sir. I'll try to cover that topic in the coming session. What exactly you want to talk about? Like, are you struggling with money management, risk management, or is there anything specific you want to talk about? Like, what exactly the topic is? Help me to profit more. For sure, sir. You can work on your technicals to improve your skill set. Help me deposit pending. Ferozi again requesting the same. Please connect with the support team. I have deposited. Okay, Lakesh Gautam ji. Okay, so you made a deposit on, it's been almost 36 days. Ankesh ji, just request you, please connect with the support team. Okay, so we took 3 trades, all 3 trades went negative. No worries, let's have a look on that one. So what could be done to make them better? So a few opportunities we have grabbed them at a bit late. So let me see. Okay, so if I would have opened this opportunity at the beginning of this candle, the result could be different. No worries, we'll try and we will try to explore more, because US market is about to be open, so we can expect some sudden volatility also, and I want to make a quick change also. So rather than taking trades on 2 candles, let's try to take trade on 3 candles. Just give me a moment. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling our cards. We will keep on looking for the opportunities, or what. Let me give you one more quick insight also, that how you can work on some different aspects also. So what exactly I have done, I have switched the chart type from Heikin to Japanese. The reason behind is, now when you are using a Japanese candle, so there are three major three major things or three major points you can also consider while using any strategy. Just make sure that your chart type is Japanese. So three things are: first one, always trade in a trending market. As there is a quote, trend is your friend. So always look forward for a trending market, and once you will be able to grab that, then take a trade. Trending means market is always moving in three different directions: upward, downward and sideways. Always avoid taking trades in the sideways trend. First one. Second one, whenever you are going to take a trade, make sure you consider all the support and resistance nearby the support resistance level. So support resistance means whenever the market is moving in any direction, let me try to show you some examples also. Okay, so like this. So if you try to observe them, when the market was moving in the upward direction, market was getting stuck on this level. So this can be considered as a level of resistance. When I'll talk about the support level, so this can be considered as a very nice support level. So you can see that the market is getting stuck every now and then. The more frequently the market is getting stuck, the more stronger that level will be. So this is something which you can consider. And the third point which I want you to consider, always make sure you have a look on the formation of the candle. And number of rules are going to be there, like whether it's a shooting star, dodgy candle, a hanging man or something like that. But rather than diving into that, or like if you're quite new to the trading, the easiest way I can suggest you, make sure you just consider the shape of the candle. Bigger the body, shorter the wick, suitable the candle. That's it. I'm repeating it again. Bigger the body, shorter the wick, that candle can be considered. Now, of course, you have to follow the set of rule of the strategy also, but these are some three additional points which you can focus on while using any strategy. Okay, so again we are quite near. Let's do one thing, because it's about US market is about to be open, so we will try to use some RFDs also. Okay, so let me take a few more comments. Okay, so we have one trader who is saying, Al-Karam Graphics Studio, Kojraji, all fake, not have withdrawal, and please don't waste money. I'm sad to see that, sir, like you didn't receive your withdrawal and you feel that this is a fake platform, but I want to share some information. So we have completed 11 successful years in Indian market. So everything is streamlined. The standard time frame for a withdrawal request is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of them are processed within 24 hours, but if anything is taking some time, just take up your withdrawal will be processed and you will be receiving your money for sure. So nothing to worry about that one. Just stay calm, just connect with the support team and check the status with them. They will be guiding you with it. Nothing to worry, you will be getting your withdrawals. Okay, so what else we have? Sushanji, if your amount is stuck, that doesn't mean at all that this platform is fake or something. We are a member of FinCom. We are also regulated by the government of Venue too, so everything is streamlined. Don't worry, just connect with the support team, because let me tell you one thing. So whenever you are making a deposit, so amount is getting deducted from your UPI wallet, and then it's from your bank account, then from payment gateway it move to our bank account and then reflected to your trading account. But if anything is your money is stuck anywhere, then sometime it takes some time. But if it is taking some time, that doesn't mean that your money is gone. We are the one who will be taking care of everything. So you just need to inform the support team. Okay, so I think it's a scam. 1000 not credited in Olymptrade. It's past 36 days. Lankesh ji, I'm sad to see that you have it's been almost 36 days. But just connect with the support team. They will be guiding you that what exactly is the issue, and they will be helping you with that. Okay. Okay. So bro, I need to make 25k rupees ASAP. Please help me with a good strategy. See, Sweet Dragon, I completely understand your urgency that you need to make some funds, but make sure that while making a capital or while generating capital, you do not get stuck with the overtrade. Please, okay, what exactly I am trying to say, please make sure you use your risk management and your money management so that you will be able to grab a hold on that one and you will be able to make some funds. Okay, so on the very last moment, market is moving in against us. Okay, very nice, very nice, and we are very close, almost 4 seconds to go, and here we go. Very nice. So we made our first profit for the day, and on Europe Composite we made up a profit of $17, and I believe that the small change which we have done, it is working in our favor. Okay, let's start making some more money, and we will keep on shuffling our cards. There was a signal again, but we are quite late. Let me see if any support resistance level is there. This level is quite near, and market is stuck somewhere. Let me have a look. Okay, so market is quite near to this support level, and market is moving backward. Let's try to switch to another asset. Okay. And traders, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live again, you will be able to connect with us. Okay, so very nice candle formation is there. Let me have a look. Okay, so this level is almost reached. Let's see if the market will go in our favor. Okay, so we have opened another opportunity for $15, and let's look forward for more signals. Now traders, you might be observing that I am keep on shuffling my cards, I am keep on shuffling the assets just to grab a hold on any opportunity, but with you there is no such we can consider like there are no such foundation. What the reason behind is that I want to show you that how these strategies work. I want to educate you that how exactly is working on, but for you there are no such compulsions. So rather than keep on trading, just take one trade, wait for the result. If the trade is positive, if you want to increase your amount, it's not required at all, but in case if you want to increase your amount, use your money management. If the trade is negative, you can decrease your amount while using your risk management, because the basic rule of trading, what exactly it says, it always says you can make money if you have money. Right? So having money in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposits again and again. That always means that whatever the deposit you have made, you will try to use it for as long as possible, and that will be only possible when you will use it slowly and gradually. I know with the small capital, with the small investment, you will be making a small profit. It's completely understood. But what if the trade will go negative? You will be making a small loss also. So of course that will be easy to recover, that will be easy to fix, right? So you need to focus on that part. Okay, so just 1 second. Just 1 second. So let me take a few more comments. A few trades are already in the pipeline. Can you please send me socio? I'm so sorry. I wish I could help you with that one, but we are not allowed to do that. Okay, so Sanjay Kumar is saying trading is in Olymptrade is legal in India. Sanjay Kumar ji, now as I believe I have already answered this thing, that we have finished our almost 11 successful years. Why I am saying 11? Because it's almost, because it's been more than 11 years. In this September we have celebrated our 11th successful anniversary in India. So everything is streamlined. You can trade on our platform. Please guide how to trade and learn more about trade. So Jai Keshwani ji, we are providing these type of services. Like we have, this is our YouTube channel, official YouTube channel, where we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, so whichever you are comfortable with. So we are also conducting sessions in Hindi, we are also conducting sessions in some foreign languages also. So if I'll give you a quick idea about that one, for Hindi sessions, Tuesday, Thursday 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard, and for English 6:30 to 7:30 Monday, Wednesday, Friday. we are conducting sessions, so different analysts, they are joining, and they are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help you with all your trading concern. So if you wish, you can join with us, you can subscribe the channel, so that whenever we will be coming live every now and then, you will be able to grab on. So I was supposed to open my position on this level. The reason behind, because the market was bouncing back from this level, from this support level, but I was quite late. So in case if the market will boom downward, I will try to pick it again. I will try to grab that opportunity. In the meantime, it's almost 7, so US market is about to be open. We can expect some sudden volatility, so I think we should also try to hold our capital, because if we will be having capital, of course we will be able to make it, but once the capital is wiped off, nothing can be done. Okay, so trader, this is the approach which like, I'm not saying that I am the one who is following. This is something which I am suggesting to you also. Make sure you hold your capital, so that whenever the opportunity will be there, you will be able to grab it. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling, let's keep on moving. In case we will be getting any signal, any confirmation, we will try to grab it and we will open our position. Okay, so let's so we will keep on checking, keep on chasing. Okay, so this trade is looking somewhere in our favor. It's quite near. See, as I have mentioned, that if we would have grabbed the opportunity at the beginning of the candle, the situation could be different, but we were quite late, and that is the reason that I have used the RFT. On last couple of seconds the trade went negative, but almost the market was somewhere somehow in our favor, but at the last moment market changed the direction. So no problem, no worries, we'll keep on chasing for the better opportunities. Let me do one thing, let's take a few more comments. Can please guide how to trade, which asset is that? So Miss Tetra, I'm not sure that on which asset I was talking about when you posted this comment, but I'm used to keep on shuffling my keep on shuffling the chart. I am keep on shuffling the assets, so I am not getting stuck to one specific, and this is something which I am suggesting to another traders also. Do not stick to one specific asset. The reason behind, sometimes there might be not the high profitability, sometimes you might not be able to grab a hold on that one. There is a possibility that there is some data floated on that specific asset, and the reason trades are not going in your favor. So rather than staying stuck on a specific asset, I'll always suggest keep on shuffling them, so that you will be having a hold on everything. Okay, so parabolics are help me a little. Of course, ARPD cast G is a very nice technical which you can pick. It's a trend reversal tool, so this is something which we call as a counter trend also, so you can pick that one. It's very nice. Pigeon G again connecting, suggesting you to connect with the support team. They will be the best one, those who will be able to help you with that. Aniket Tiwari, the same request to you, support-en@olymptrade.com. They will be the best, will be helping you with that one. Venkatesh sir, deposit last are not showing in the query of your help desk. The query of sir, just check with the support team, like if that is not, like you are not able to open that query, or I'm not sure like what exactly you are talking about, but just check with the support team, they will be doing the needful. Profit and loss management will do. So Michael, Mr. Jacob, I can see that you have removed one of your comment, and on that basis I'm not able to relate that what exactly you are trying to say, so you can drop it again. Nokhilalji, hello, very good evening sir. Mostly need identified trend. Of course, Ajay, you need to identify that what can be the direction of the market, and along with that, currently these are the technicals which we are using. So they are using the what can be the trend, like how you can follow the trend, or they are following the trend. These strategies are following the trend. So there are some technical rules, tools which will be helping you to grab a hold on the reversals. So just to make a strategy, a customized strategy also, so you can try to pick that one. Okay, so we made a nice profit on Astro. Let me show you so what exactly I was thinking about that when I picked that trade. So at that moment the market was stuck at the same level and market was trying to move in the upward direction. So the reason that is a reason that I have tried to grab that opportunity and I have opened my trade, and you can see that we won the trade with a very nice margin also. Even though in fixed time trade we are going to get the same profit irrespective like whether we are going to make a trade with the 1 point or 1000, but at least we can analyze one more thing, that was not a hard a fluke or based on luck. So that can be considered as that we have made a nice calculation. The analysis was correct and the market moved in our favor. Okay, let me take a few more comments. Sir, how to avoid over trading, because when I get profit in my trade I face this issue. See Nokelalji, I hope we had a conversation a few days back also where I was explaining that what are the things you can focus on. So when you are making some profits, make sure you hold your capital. And what exactly you can do, either you can make a withdrawal, you can make an internal transfer to your another account, but make sure you make an internal transfer to the same currency, because if you will be making a internal transfer to the another currency, so you will be facing some conversion charges. So you need to focus on that. Just 1 second. And second thing, whenever you are going to make some profit, either you can make a withdrawal, you can make an internal transfer, because the more money which will be visible to you, the more eager you will be to invest it, right? By that I am just trying to say that in case if you are you can see that there is $2,000 in your trading account, so you will not hesitate while taking a trade for 200 or 500. But if only $20, $50, $30 is something which is visible to you, then of course if $30 is visible to you or available to you, of course you will not be able to take a trade with 31. So either you can make a withdrawal or you can make an internal transfer, so that you will be holding only this stop loss amount. So once you will wipe that off, you can quit for the day. And this is something which you have to follow. Not only this advice is not only to Nokelalji, this advice is to all the trader, those who have joined or those who are going to watch this video later on. Make sure you use your capital in such a way that you will be able to use it for longer, and for that one, risk management and money management is something which you have to consider, which you have to focus on. Okay, and whether you learn it today, tomorrow, day after 6 months, you have to grab it one day, only then the profit or the trading will be easy to do, or like you will be able to grab a hold on. So make sure you understand this thing, that without money management and risk management, things can't go in your favor. So make sure you grab a hold on that one and start moving as per that. Okay, so it looks like a very nice signal. All the confirmations are there. Let's see. Now at the same time, you can observe the market also breached this level. Now let's see if the market will move in our favor or not. Okay, so we took 2 more trades. Both of them went positive. Very nice. And how things are going in our favor. Let's keep on shuffling our cards. Let's keep on shuffling the assets, and we will keep on. Okay, so again there is another opportunity which can be grabbed, or we should I think we can pick it. So on Mahajantra again we have opened another trade for $20, 3-minute downward. Okay, so irrespective of the asset, I am just following the set of rule which strategies we are using. So irrespective of the asset, whether it's a currency pair, it's OTC, it's a composite, or it's a metal, we are just going to focus on the set of rule. Let me take a few more comments. Okay, so Ratneshi, if in a horizon signal appears opposite to the trend, should we trade or leave the same? Ratneshi, if in horizon signal appears opposite to the trend, so it will not happen like that. If the market is moving in the downward direction, of course, then SMAs will change the direction and the lower frequency will intersect the higher one, and at the same time MACD will change the direction in the downward. If the market is moving into the upward direction, then of course you will be observing this. So there will be no such confusion. There is a possibility that the MACD has already intersected the zero level, and after some time the SMAs will be intersecting. That could be a different scenario, but it will not be happening like that. The market is moving in the upward and these are showing the market can like they are showing a signal for downward. So that will not happen. Okay, so let me take a few more comments. Just give me a second, traders. Okay, so sir, suppose my Olymptrade account USD at least $50K, so can I withdraw to Trust Wallet in all $60K in one withdrawal? See, Sagar Patraji, you can make a withdrawal to your e-wallets also, but make sure that you have that much limit. In case if your limit is not that much, you can do one thing, like just suppose that you manage to book a profit of $60. Now you want to withdraw that one and your limit is $50 or $55,000. Then you can do one thing, make one withdrawal for 55,000. Once that will be processed, you can initiate the next one. Because of course, see, we also understand it's a trading platform, so there is a possibility that you will increase increase your capital, so of course you are going to withdraw it. So considering that thing, in case if the limit is not that much, then of course you can make the second withdrawal, and in case if the capital is more than that one, you can initiate the third one also. In short, what I'm just trying to say that you can withdraw the complete capital. There is no such foundation that you have to hold that much in your trading account or something like that. There is nothing. Okay, how much need deposit? So sir, for that one you can start with $10 also, that is completely fine. Pyramid strategy is best than using indicators. Sir, that is completely depending on trader to trader, that what exactly you are making profit with, because see, it's like a medicine. There is a possibility that the medicine which I am using, that will be working for 10 more patients, but there could be a 11th patient to whom that medicine will not be suitable. So considering that thing, what exactly I am trying to say, that you can try to learn different strategies, technicals, and then you can implement on your demo account. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, then I'll suggest to take it to your live account. Okay, because this is something which we are always suggesting to our traders. Whatever you are going to learn it from here, from your personal analyst, from any resource, make sure you apply it on your demo account first. Try to grab a hold on that one, and it's not like that you will be opening 10-15 trades and you will be able to understand that whether it is working for you or not. You need to open minimum to minimum 50 to 70 trades. Now some traders might be saying that, sir, that is going to be time consuming. Completely understand. But now tell me one thing, is it fine to lose some money, or is it fine to practice something and spend some time on that? I believe spending some time to grab a hold on that one will be a better deal, because you will be able to understand that strategy, you will be saving some extra bucks, and that amount can be used to make further profits. Right? So make sure you spend some time and practice that strategy first. Okay, so what else we have? Sir, I connect with this platform about 2 years, but sometime deposit issue too late. Lankesh ji, I'm sad to know that sometime you are facing some difficulties, but system is working, like our team is working to make it more smoother. So we will do that for sure, like we will keep on improving. But in case if you are facing any difficulties ever, once your deposit is stuck or once your withdrawal is not reflected, make sure you are with us from almost 2 years, as you have already mentioned. So I'm sure that you might be aware that how to connect with the support team. Just connect with the support team then and there and ask them for the help they will be looking for, and like they will be taking care of everything. Okay, thank you for valuable advice. No worries, Nakilal ji, you are most welcome. Can I trade $10K in one trade? Sagar Patra ji, for that one, I think like there are some limits for every status, so you need to take care of that one. And I'll suggest do not take a trade with that much big amount, because that is completely understood. If that trade will go positive, everything is going to be very streamlined. But what if the trade will go negative? So rather than taking one trade with $10,000, I'll suggest you can take 100 trades, each trade for $100. And out of them, even though if 50% or 60% will be going in your favor, so at least you will be having a better picture. Rather than wiping off complete capital, at least you will be having some capital which will help you to recover the rest. Now, some traders might be saying that, sir, there is a possibility that the trade might go positive. Completely understood. But what if the trade will go negative? That is the thing you need to focus on. Okay, let me have a look on that as trade. Okay, so there was a sudden moment. Again, we were quite late. If we would have opened the opportunity on this level. Now traders, this is a perfect example which I want to showcase to you also, that sometime entering into the market with the delay can lead to a negative result. In both the trades, I can show you the clear cut example. Now see, let me zoom in. Okay, so this is a maximum. So the signal was there at the beginning of this candle. If I would have opened the opportunity in the beginning of this candle, so we can observe the max opening, closing, everything is here. Then the second one is also below this level. The third one is also below this level. So the trade was supposed to go positive. But we entered into the market with the delay and result is in front of us. So the set of rule was quite fine. Everything was streamlined. This signal was proper, but we entered into the market with the delay. The same reason here also. So we were supposed to take a trade for 3 candles, first candle, second candle, third candle. So the opening, closing, maximum low, maximum high, everything is just below this level. So there was a clear cut win, but we entered into the market with the delay and we are facing the consequence. Okay, so so market is quite near to this level of resistance. This level is already breached. Let's move to another. And this is also trading mindset, you can say, or you can also say as a approach, that it's fine that if you have missed a signal, because n numbers of signals are going to be there in future, like after that candle or after that specific signal. But if you will try to grab it right away, there is a possibility that you might be facing some losses. So please avoid doing that. Very nice, very nice. Very big candles are there. So this level is about to be breached. Let's do one thing. I want to open a trade with the RFT for $100 in upward. So this level was already breached, about to be now market move bounce back. I'll try to grab this opportunity. In case if the market will breach this level, I will open a new opportunity. I will try to grab it. Or okay, so how many seconds? 2, 1, and okay. Let's double up our opportunity. Okay, so on GBP USD we have opened 2 trades. I have used my RFTs also, because I cannot take any risk. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling. Market is again stuck with the support level. Now traders, you might observe, you can observe that this is a very quite common practice, like which is very common, which is keep on happening every now and then. The market is getting stuck with the support or resistance levels. So you can try to grab a hold on that as well. And if you will be able to grab hold only on the price action, support, resistance, you will be able to make some handsome profits on the composites. But it's not like that you all the trades will go positive. You need to focus on these things. Okay, so this level breached, market again in the downward direction. We can think about a 2-minute trade in the downward. So let's see, let's keep on shuffling, keep on looking forward for more and more signals. Okay, so there are a few more comments. Hello Rocky. Okay, Okay, traders, anything else? Like I am still available for next 5-7 minutes. So if any further doubts are there, any question is there, you can write me in the comment section. I will be taking care of that one. Make sure that is related to the trading only, not to your deposit or withdrawal verification, because support is the one, those who will be taking care of that one. And as some traders, they mentioned that they are using Horizon, so I can't see a few more comments that if they are using or not, or if they are facing some difficulties. So just let me know. Let's try to make this session a bit more interactive. So let's make it a two-way communication. So if you have used this strategy in the past, just let me know. If you are facing some difficulties, just let me know. Okay, so just give me a moment. Very nice. Okay, so no comments so far, but still if anything will be there, you can ask me. So our $100 trades but not in our favor, but let's see what exactly happened. Okay, so market just bounced back from that specific level, and okay, so market was stuck and bounced back from this specific level. No problem. So at least we have used our RFT, so we haven't made any loss. This after that we took one trade on AUD USD that went positive. Crypto composite is looking negative. Okay. So after a very big red candle, market bounced back and didn't hold that volume. No worries. So far everything was in, like, it's not so many profits, so many losses, but things are going fine so far. Like, even though we have faced some losses, but at least we are able to manage it, we are able to recover it, because the reason behind is I am still calm, I still have hold on my risk management, money management, and I still have that patience that I will be able to recover that one. At the same time, if I'll start taking trades with $100, $200, $300 or something like that one, while making some revenge trading, there is a possibility that the losses which I have made, like if that was for $70 or $60, something like that, that could pile up to 110, 120, 130 or something like that. So rather than piling up the losses, we'll try to hold our capital, and once the market will be in our favor, we will start making some profit. So this is approach which I always suggest to follow. Okay, so now this signal is nice, but we are quite late. The reason behind the signal was there at the beginning of this candle. So okay, let me take. Okay, so few more comments. There is one comment: what indicators are you using and the time frame, etc. Okay, so today we are using the Horizon strategy. In this one we are basically focused on three major things. The first one, MACD with the frequency of 12.26.9. Let me show you also, so you can take a quick screenshot of that one. MACD is there, SMA simple moving average with the frequency of 22, and 5 is there. Whenever the lowest frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market, and this is the set of rule which we are following in this strategy. At the same time, if you want to use Japanese candle, you can. Majority of time the suggested candle time frame or the chart type is Heikin-Ashi for this strategy, which can be seen here also. It's mentioned Heikin-Ashi color change. So once the market Heikin-Ashi candles change the color, that could be the direction of the market. So if the green candles, market up; if the red candles, market down. At the same time, we will be focusing on this another confirmation, and on the basis of that one, we will try to grab the different opportunities. Bro, what about UAE withdrawals? Sir, the standard time frame for the withdrawals for all across the globe, wherever we are catering, the standard time frame from the platform side is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of withdrawals are processed within 24 hours. So if anything is taking time, just stay calm. It will be processed, and team will be working on that one. And once the amount is processed, that will be reflected to your specific bank account, card, or whichever payment method you are using, whichever you think that you are comfortable with, so you can pick that one. Okay, Okay, so I can see that I have taken majority of the comments, but in case if I have missed something, traders, I'm so sorry for that. And before winding up the conversation, today's conversation, again requesting you, please make sure you subscribe the channel, be part, so that whenever we will be coming live, so you will be able to connect with our community, and we will be able to help you with different technicals. So on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, like Indonesian. So n number of languages are available. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can explore. As per that, you can go to the playlist section also. So whatever the sessions we are used to conduct, everything is saved there, so you will be able to watch that later on also. So this is something which you can also opt, that in case if you think that Kunal, like next time I might not be able to join your live, so you can explore the playlist. And just 1 second, let's have a quick look again on all the assets. In case if we will be finding any opportunity, we will try to grab it. Otherwise, I'm sure that I was able to make you understand that what are the things you are supposed to take care. It's not always about taking a trade, it's always about taking a trade on the right time. So make sure you wait for that one. In case if you have missed that opportunity, no need to bother worry about that one. Just stay calm. More and more opportunities will be there sooner or later, and that is the reason that whenever I am using this version, so I am keep on shuffling the cards. So you can also keep on checking that on which asset the signal is there or signal can be there, so you can just stay on the specific asset, and once that opportunity will be there, you will be grabbing. Okay, so again, before winding up today's conversation, suggesting you again, make sure whatever the technicals you are going to pick, you explore it on your demo account. Make sure you practice it. Once you will be able to get a hold on that one, I'll suggest you can take it to your live account. But before doing that thing, make sure you invest time. It's not always about investing money. Trading is also about investing time, so make sure you invest something. James, I wish I could help you with that one, but sometime just make sure you subscribe the channel, so whenever we will be coming next live, so sometime I'm used to conduct some contest or something like that. Some challenges are there, so those who are winning in the that one, those who are participating in that one, and they are getting a opportunity to grab some risk-free trade. So in today's session I'll not be able to give that, but in upcoming session there might be some chances, so of course you can grab it. Sir, bro, we need license in this platform? No, Hidayatullah ji, there is nothing like that. Yeah, so you can trade on our platform, just download the application. Once the verification will be initiated, you can do that one, and you can start making deposits and trades. That is completely fine. And before we start making deposits, make sure you spend some time on demo account also, because that is the best part. You can explore everything there, that whether you are able to understand the strategies, technicals and everything, because the set of rule, or like if I talk about the set of rule of the strategy, that is going to be remain same on demo or on the live. And at the same time, the course, movement, everything is exact same. It's the only difference is the money. In one side it's the demo money, on the second side it's the real fund. So make sure you spend enough time on your demo account. Okay, so thank you so much, trader. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I hope I have cleared everyone's doubt, but in case if anything is missed, I request you, please connect me in the upcoming session, so I will be able to take care of your doubt, concerns in the upcoming sessions. And I'm so sorry if I missed anything, and thank you so much again. So that was your host, that was your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Keep learning, keep earning, stay connected, stay healthy and stay safe. Take care guys. Bye bye. Cheers.